Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can delete a repository in your GitHub account in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your account on GitHub, click into that symbol in the top left and navigate to repositories inside your account. You may also use that tab here, and here you will see the number of repositories that are currently saved within your account. So what you want to do is navigate to the given repository by clicking into it, and you will need to access its settings to delete it. So click into settings here. Here, navigate to general, and here scroll all the way down. And here, guys, you will find this option, delete these repository. So click into this button here to confirm that. By clicking into this button, now I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep it, but that's at least how you do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.